Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to check your Audi A6 oil level. Many newer Audi A6 models do not have a traditional physical dipstick. Instead, your car uses an electronic sensor to measure the engine oil level. This information is then conveniently displayed through your vehicle's multimedia interface, or MMI system. This digital approach offers a precise reading, making oil level checks straightforward and easy to perform from inside the cabin. To get an accurate reading, first ensure your engine is warm, ideally after a drive, then switch it off and wait approximately 2 minutes. This allows the oil to settle. Next, turn your ignition on without pressing the brake pedal to avoid starting the engine. Now, using your MMI controls, navigate to the car menu, then select Service and Checks, and finally, Oil Level to see the current reading. For the most accurate oil level reading, always ensure your Audi A6 is parked on a completely level surface. If your MMI system indicates that the oil level is low, it's crucial to add oil in small increments. We recommend adding about 1/2 liter at a time. After adding oil, wait a few minutes for it to circulate and settle before rechecking the level through the MMI. This prevents overfilling, which can be detrimental to your engine. If you see a yellow oil warning light, it means your oil level is low and needs attention soon. However, if a red oil warning light illuminates, you must stop the engine safely and immediately, as this indicates a critical issue. Always use the specific oil type and viscosity recommended by Audi for your A6 to ensure optimal engine performance and longevity. For other great deals and the link to those darn tough socks, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.